Matthew 5, verse 22. Today, how often do we see people airing their anger on social media, calling out friends, family, or even strangers in public posts, mga classmates? We live in a time where instead of resolving conflicts privately, we post our grievances for the world to see. The gaslighting, the public shaming, the cancel culture is so horrendous, mga classmates. We use our freedom to express by damaging others. We become the judge and the jury in a public trial wherein these people who do this, like for example, politicians who have hidden agenda. Jesus warns us that this kind of anger, even if it doesn't result in physical harm, damages relationships and souls. Instead of airing our frustrations online, what would happen if we sought to reconcile in private with humility and grace? Jesus calls us to resolve conflict privately and with love, not for public shaming.